Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in your 40s and notice you're unable to read the fine print, you may be experiencing presbyopia. So it's important that you consult with your optometrist. What is presbyopia? As we get older, the lens in our eyes loses its elasticity and the ability to focus on close objects weakens. You might already have presbyopia, just like 6.9 million other Australians and 1.4 million New Zealanders. We call it long arm syndrome because people with presbyopia are likely to extend their arms to be able to read. Long arm syndrome can be corrected with spectacles, but reading glasses are not the only answer. The solution may be in reach. Bausch + Lomb's Pure Vision multifocal contact lenses will make things clear again.